Hi everybody, welcome back. So there seems to be a lot of issue, not just myself, with these Axial SCX24 steering servos stripping out. So I figured I'd just share a little bit of information, quick little tip, to show you guys how to get a little bit more life out of it while you're waiting for that new one to arrive. Because I mean, ultimately I would recommend getting something else as opposed to the stock servo. These Emax ones work great. You don't have to get the digital, you can get the analog. It's just no big difference. So I pulled those screws out of the back there, and then I'm going to remove this horn and servo saver all together. There it is. Now we're just going to pull the top off that. And try and remember where your gears go, because you're going to want to put it back together, right? So your issue lies on this fella here. This gear right here is the one that strips. All the time. Now you can only put that on the one way for your gearing, but that's all you have to do is take it off, turn it 180 degrees, and then set it back onto your pinion. So then the strip part will be over here now, as opposed to on your pinion gear. And then just simply put it back together. Come on. I say simply, but it does take a little bit of patience. Put your screws back in. So it's the very first gear touching the pinion gear. If you take it apart the way I did, it's obviously the last big gear. And then you got to set your steering trim and everything else. But that's the way it goes back together. Looks like my spring rolled away on me here. But there's a spring. Oh no, there it is. It's in there. I go all the way in, and then 1, full turns out, and that gives me good servo throw. So there you go. Nothing to it. Buy you a little more life and time out of your stock servo. Well, thanks very much, guys. Appreciate it. Subscribe, like, take care.